In the heart of the Caribbean lies a paradise of turquoise seas and golden sands. Welcome to Antigua and Barbuda, the land of 365 beaches, one for every day of the year. Antigua, the larger of the twin islands, is a haven for travellers seeking beauty, adventure and peace. Its beaches stretch endlessly, each with its own story to tell, from bustling harbours to hidden coves kissed by the sun. Here, history breathes in the walls of Nelson's Dockyard, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The rhythms of life are woven with music, laughter, and the vibrant culture of the Caribbean people. And then there is Barbuda, wild, untouched, and serene. A sanctuary of pink sand beaches, where the sea paints the shore in shades of rose, and the skies echo with the calls of thousands of magnificent frigate birds. From world-class sailing at Antigua Sailing Week to diving beneath the waves where coral reefs come alive, these islands are more than a destination. They are an experience. As the Caribbean sun sets in hues of fire and gold, Antigua and Barbuda whisper their timeless promise of beauty, freedom, and endless horizons. This is not just an island getaway. It is paradise found.